Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. In this edition, we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. This week, the euro has been rising against the US dollar. The euro-dollar pair is still trading at highs near to 1.1200. Technical experts have a downward correction. Hi Petar, what is your outlook for the euro-dollar pair? Do you think the pair will eventually attract sellers next trading week?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting lower price in the euro versus US dollar. I found a strong reversal bar according to a daily time frame. The price, this is called the uptrust. So on this day the buyers try to push the euro higher, but at the end of the day they finish it lower. So this is a strong reversal bar, and there is a divergence on the rate of change indicator 2 period. There is a hidden bearish divergence. So my advice is actually to watch for selling opportunities due to this strong reversal bar and this small bearish divergence on the rate of change oscillator. So watch for selling opportunities. The targets are set at the price of 1.1095. This is like first target, and the second target is set at the price of 1.1020. So in my opinion, buying looks risky, and watch for selling opportunities on after any upward correction.
Meanwhile, sellers of the pound-dollar pair have been active recently. The pair is closing the week next to the support level of 1.2860. Petar, from your point, what are the odds that pound bulls will return to the market?
The British pound versus US dollar is trading sideways. I found something like the trend channel basically, and the price is trading for many days inside of this channel, but so far most recently there is a strong wide range of the bar back few bars ago on the daily time frame, and current bars they're trading inside of this, let's say the mother candles, and this is an inside bar formation on this currency pair. My advice is actually to watch for a breakout or the resistance of that mother candle, or to break a support. I prefer more to sell, basically to wait for a breakout of the support rather than wait for a breakout of the resistance. But again, watch for both sides. The resistance is at the 1.3045, so this is the resistance of this mother candle, and the support is at the price of 1.2885. The reason why I see more bearish than bullish is because there is a big climatic bar in the background. This happened in the news. So in my opinion, the smart traders basically exited already their buying positions, and that's the reason why we may see basically at least the bearish correction or so downward momentum on this currency pair. So critical support is set at the price of 1.2885. If you see the breakout of this support, this will mean that price exit basically from this inside bar formation, and that we may expect potential testing of 1.2760, which is the first downward target in this currency pair. Again, watch for a breakout of the inside bar formation. I prefer, and my advice, to watch for a breakout of the support. But if the price got a power to break above the resistance of this formation, then you can go long and try long positions. So I prefer selling positions below 1.2885.
The Japanese yen is also taking advantage of the US dollar's weakness. Do you expect a trend reversal next week?
I'm expecting upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. There is a broken inside bar formation, and this was a quite good inside bar formation. There is a mother candle, and then the 3 bars after, the 3 days after, basically on the daily time frame, the price traded inside of this daily range, and I found a breakout. So the breakout already happened, and it's on the long side. Also, there is a reversal bar seems that it's aggressive reversal bar with a strong pin bar. So that is also another sign of strength. Then the breakout of the inside bar formation, price went above the 5 simple moving average on the daily time frame. So all of these conditions, in my opinion, looks like we will see the upward price on this currency pair. So my advice is watch for buying opportunities. The targets are set the price of 113. It's the area of the pure price section in the background where the supply basically came in the background, and if the price breaks 113 level, the 114.25 is the second upward target. So again, watch for buying opportunities due to break out of the inside buy formation and strong reversal bar in the background according to the daily time frame.
What is your forecast for the Australian dollar? Traders are voicing concerns that China's sovereign credit rating was downgraded this week, as China is the main consumer of Australia's commodities. Do you think the lower rating will push the Aussie dollar down?
I'm expecting a lower price on Australian dollar versus US dollar. The reason is I found the rejection of the 50 simple moving average according to a daily time frame. The 50 simple moving average held very successfully also in the past 30-35 days. Then there is a bearish flag. Right now we created strong bearish flag formation. The clear breakout of this bearish flag will confirm further downward price on this currency pair. Also there is a reversal bar in the background, so I call that divergent bar, combined with a bearish flag and testing of the 50 simple moving average. This is, in my opinion, it looks like the sellers are in control, and that you can basically watch for a selling opportunities on this currency pair. The target for this formation and the bearish flag is set the price of 0.7335, which is actually the swing low and the low from where we started basically this bearish flag and creation of this bearish flag.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next week. ИнстаФорекс technical expert Peter Yakimovic has presented his trading recommendations on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Don't miss our next edition.